Well, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel. This is Badger and Babe. Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's doing fine. As you can see right behind me here, the seat's empty. Yeah, Babe is not with me today. She's not doing too good right now. She had a little bit of an injury on her left shoulder, some pain. She's in a sling right now, hoping she gets better real soon so she can come back and join us for all the videos. But I took her to the doctor the other day. Had to drive down there because she couldn't ride the bike, unfortunately. Ordered some x-rays, got everything done up there at the x-rays. Now, apparently from what they said, it's a bone spur in her shoulder, which I don't know if anyone's ever had a bone spur, but man, they hurt. I've had them in my feet and they are painful. Feels like someone's jabbing a hot knife right up in there. So yeah, Babe's healing up right now. Could be a couple weeks, we're not sure. She has another appointment with orthopedic doctor. They're going to take a look at it, see what they can do. But for now, the old Badger's riding by himself, which sucks because I love having Babe with me. It's our it's really our only time to get back together and reconnect, and you know, life just gets in the way. Day-to-day activities here and there, work, whatever else is going on. But yeah, when I get home, she'll be there. I asked her what she was gonna do today. She said nothing. Just gonna hang out with the dogs, watch a little TV, maybe catch up on some stories of hers. And that's it, which is good because she needs to relax. Babe has several jobs that she does. Her regular job, her 9 to 5, and she's also a realtor. She was actually at a house last night. Our daughter had to take her and drive her to the showing because she needed a little bit of help. Couldn't get there herself because of her shoulder. It's hard for her to drive. But she did that. She also manages our Facebook and our YouTube page and all that other happy stuff. Nope, she's gone. Go ahead, lady. No hurry. Who's out here today? Car wash? I don't know what that's for. Probably baseball. I thought I saw them in baseball uniforms there. So me, I'm just off to work. I take a quick ride. Usually Babe goes with me to the shop on Saturdays, but not today. The youngest son, Garrett's going to come in and give me a hand. So, thought I would take the long way into the shop, make a quick video. let you guys know what's going on. If anything's fortunate about this injury, it's making her relax, because she can't do much. I had to carry her laundry basket downstairs to the basement so she could do her laundry. She'll do that, wash it and dry it. I'll carry it back upstairs tonight when I get home. Missing a nice ride though. Beautiful out this morning. Oh, what do we got? 2 wheels for sale. Oh, I'll have to come back this way and check that out. Always looking for a good deal on 2 wheels. That's odd. People are going the speed limit today. Never see people on this road doing the speed limit. Biker on red. Hey buddy. And no wave. Maybe next time. Does that irritate anyone else? Is it just me? Well, I guess that's it, everyone. We're almost to the shop. I gotta pull over. I gotta get gas. Running a little low. Just want to catch everyone up. Let you know what's going on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Definitely helps us out. keep the page going. Glad everyone could come out with me today. And we will see everyone else later.